Close-up magic, a magical English learning experience. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of close-up magic. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, we'll explore it together and discover why it's so magical. Not just in performance but in the English language too. Close-up magic refers to a style of magical performance that happens right in front of the audience, usually within close proximity. Unlike large stage shows, close-up magic is more intimate and interactive. It often involves everyday objects like cards, coins, and sometimes even digital devices. The key here is the proximity. The magic happens so close that it feels personal and even more astonishing. In English, the phrase, close-up magic, is a compound noun, which means it combines two words to create a new meaning. Close-up describes the distance. It means very near to someone or something. Magic, on the other hand, refers to the art of performing tricks that deceive the eye, creating a sense of wonder. When put together, they describe a form of magic that's performed at a very close range. You might hear close-up magic in contexts beyond the performance art. For example, someone might say, his skills in cooking are like close-up magic, implying that their cooking skills are so impressive. They seem magical. This shows how English speakers often use phrases metaphorically to describe something extraordinary or impressive. And that's a wrap on close-up magic. I hope this video has not only taught you about this fascinating form of entertainment but also showed you the magic of learning English phrases. Remember, language learning can be as captivating as magic itself. See you next time for more enchanting English lessons.